We produce video tutorials, video instructions, video courses on machines, software and industrial products. Those are movies for immediate use, such as instructions on the machine, or video courses and webinars to integrate into e-learning platforms. We show in detail processes, maintenance activities, safety procedures in machinery or on construction sites. We know how to describe a production line or how the installation of a new industrial system works. We support the writing of texts and scripts in any language, with and without subtitles. We operate in critical environments, such as automated assembly lines, in sensitive areas such as clean rooms, laboratories and controlled atmosphere areas. We film technical staff showing how to use everyday objects, software or products for demonstration and promotion purposes. We record teachers and speakers, combining graphic videos, slides and PowerPoint presentations. Or we use 3D videos, photorealistic or schematic, when the details are hidden or the concepts are especially complex. The use of video tutorials can be very interesting if it is also used for promotional purposes. A tutorial provides information, not only to those who have already bought, but also to those who are about to become a customer.